Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. Today we are going to study with you on a story. This story is really short. At the beginning I will read just in Kurmanji and you will listen carefully. And in the screen you will see the original form and English translation. And after finishing the story for the first time, I'm reading, and then we will discuss the grammar, okay? So if you are ready, we can start. Kîvroşk û Kûsî. Rojek ji rojan, Kûsî çû bi hevalê xwe Kîvroşk û ji wî re got: Lo birayo, were em pêşbaziyekê bikin. Ez û tu em ê bibezin heta wê girê. Ka kî ji me berî yêdî wê xwe bigihîne wir. Kîvroşk ser vê gotinê kenî û xwe nepixand û ji Kûsî re got: Tu ji dil dibêjiyan henekan dikî. Kûsî li ser gotina xwe sekinî, çûn cihê destpêkirinê û dest bi pêşbaziyê kirin. Kûsî hêdî û bêsekin diçû. Kîvroşk lê nêrî dikenî û dilê xwe de digot: Heta ku Kûsî xwe bigihîne nîvê rê, dinya dê bibe şev. Ez ê biçekî çavê xwe germ bikim û paşê bi derbekê dikarim xwe bigihînim wê girê. Kîvroşk çû û ji bo demekê raket. Kûsî qet nesekinî. Piştî demekê Kîvroşk şiyar bû. Wî li derdora xwe nêrî û dît ku Kûsî xwe gihandiye wê girê. Kîvroşk poşman bû, lê Kûsî karê xwe biribû serî. So it is time to discuss grammar of story. I will explain sentence by sentence, and it will be easier at the end of this video. So the name of the story is Kîvroşk and Kûsî, which means the rabbit and the turtle. Rojek ji rojan Kûsî çû ve hevalê xwe Kîvroşk û ji wî re got. Like one day, the turtle went to his friend Kûsî çû ve hevalê xwe and said to him, û ji wî re got: Lo birayo. Okay, lo birayo is a vocative form for male. So lo birayo, it means like, oh brother. This o, it refers male beings. If it is feminine, female, you will say le. Lo birayo le khuşke. Lo azado le gule. Okay? Lo birayo were em pêşbaziyekê bikin. Like, let's have a race. Were, it means come, literally. I mean, it is imperative form of hatten, which means come. But here you can, I mean, if you want to say let's, to invite some people to do something together, you can say were. You can say were em biçin, like let's go. Were em bıxun, let's eat. Were em cigare bıkşinin, like let's smoke. Okay? Were em pêşbaziyekê bikin. Let's have a race. Ez û tu, you and I, em ê bibezin heta wê girê. Bezin, it means to run. Em ê bibezin, like we will run heta wê girê. Like we will run till that hill. Okay? Em ê bibezin heta wê girê. Ka kî ji me berî yêdî wê xwe bigihîne wir. Like, let's see, like we will see which one of us gets there before the other one. Okay, kî ji me, like which one of us, kî ji me berî yêdî before the other one, berî yêdî wê xwe bigihîne wir. This way, it refers future, like which one of us will reach. Okay, xwe bigihîne wir. It is, okay, gihin, it means to arrive, to reach. Okay, but if you want to make something to reach, to arrive somewhere, I mean causative, so you will make it causative, and it will be gehanden. Xwe gehanden, it means to make arrive yourself. Like you force yourself, you finish your work, and you try to reach somewhere. Okay, xwe gehanden. Kîvroşk ser vê gotinê kenî û xwe nepixand û ji Kûsî re got. Kenin is our verb here. Kîvroşk ser vê gotinê kenî, like he laughed. Serve gotne, literally it means on this saying. Serve gotne, like the rabbit laughed at what the turtle said, and he boasted about himself. Okay, and napachanden, I mean to boast. Juan napachanden, like to boast about himself. Okay, Juan napachand, ush Kûsî re got. Tush dil dibêjî an hene kandikî. Like, are you serious or just kidding with me? Jdil dibêjî, j is our preposition which means from. Dil is heart. Dibêjî like you say. I mean, do you say from heart? Are you serious or just kidding? Okay? Tush dil dibêjî, it means like, are you serious? Kûsî li ser gotina xwe sekinî. The turtle kept his word. Okay, li ser gotina xwe sekinîn, literally it means to stay on your word. Okay, li ser gotina xwe sekinîn. I mean, you have a promise, word, and you kept it, you did it, and it means you stayed on that goten, and you did what you promised. I mean, like to keep one's word. Okay, like we translate as the turtle kept his word. Chun cihê destpêkirine, they went to the starting line. Cihê destpêkirine, it means the place of starting. Cihê destpêkirine. Destpêkirin means to start. Cihê destpêkirine, like the place of starting. û dest bi pêşbaziyê kirin, and then they started the race. I mean, literally it means this, but we translate as the race started. If you want to translate the race started literally, it will be û pêşbaziyê destpêkir. Okay, û pêşbaziyê destpêkir. Kûsî hêdî û bêsekin diçû. Kîvroşk lê nêrî dikenî û dilê xwe de digot. Okay, hêdî çûyîn means to go slowly. Okay, hêdî is an adverb, and bêsekin, second means to stop. Okay, like stopping. Bêsekin like without stopping, just you go, just you always go, you don't stop. Okay, you decide. It means, I mean, you are like you want to what you said, what you promised to yourself, and you go, and it means bêsekin çûyîn. Okay. Kîvroşk lê nêrî. The rabbit looked at him. Louis nêrî or lê nêrî is same thing. It's just Louis. In speaking, it becomes lê. I mean, we Kurds love to, I mean, like all people actually, we love to make it shorter. I mean, sayings, language, it demands it. Okay. So, Kîvroşk lê nêrî, dikeni, like the rabbit was laughing. û dilê xwe de digot. And told. Okay, dilê xwe de gotin, it means literally to say in your heart. Okay, but it means to think. So heta ku Kûsî xwe bigihîne nîvê rê, dinya de bêşev. Ez ê piçekî çavê xwe germ bikim û paşê bi derbekê dikarim xwe bigihînim wê girê. Yes, heta Kûsî xwe bigihîne nîvê rê, dinya de bêşev. Like, by the time turtle gets there, halfway point of the race, it will be dark. Dinya de bêşev. Dinya literally it means world, okay, like as a planet. But sometimes we use dinya for weather. For example, you woke up, you opened your window, and you saw the sun, and you can say, oh, if you don't say oh, dinya çi xweş e îro. Okay, such a nice weather today. Dinya çi xweş e îro. Erê, ez ê biçekî çavên xwe germ bikim û paşê derbekê dikarim xwe bigihînim wê girê. Ez ê biçekî çavên xwe germ bikim, literally it means I will warm my eyes for a while. It means to take a nap for a short time. Okay. û paşê bi derbekê dikarim xwe bigihînim wê girê. And later I can get to that hill very quickly. Bi derbekê, like very quickly. Kîvroşk çû ji bo demekê re ket. The rabbit went to sleep for a while. Okay? Ji bo demekê re ket. Ji bo demekê re ket, he slept for a while. Kûsî qet nesekinî. The turtle never stopped. Piştî demekê kîvroşk şiyar bû. The rabbit woke up after a while. He glanced around himself, wilda dura xwe nêrî û dît ku and saw that Kûsî xwe gihandiye wê girê and saw that the turtle had reached the hill. Kîvroşk poşman bû lê kîso karê xwe biribû serî. The rabbit regretted it, but the turtle had finished his task. Okay, poşman bûn to regret. Okay, poşman bûn. And as a last infinitive verb, it's karê xwe birin serî. Karê xwe, like your work, birin serî, it means to take till end. Okay, the end. It means if you have a work, you have to take it to the end. It means to the head. It means the end. Like if you took till the head, it means you finished it. Okay, you completed, your task. So here they said, the story says, "U kîso karê xwe biribû serî," like the turtle had finished his task. So I want you to read this story once more, and then check translation, and then you have to read by yourself to understand better. Okay. So thank you so much.